Hey everyone, this is Pranav Chalat and welcome back to the FBC YouTube channel. This is the first video of our real estate investing playlist and I'm so excited to begin this new playlist on our channel. Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below and follow our Instagram at Frisco_FBC. Keep in mind that the username of our Instagram has changed from Reedy_FBC to Frisco_FBC, so make sure you are following the correct one. The Instagram is linked in our YouTube header at the top of our YouTube page. But let's get to today's video.
Today's video will primarily give you an introduction to real estate investing, as well as some advantages and disadvantages. So what exactly is real estate investing? As defined by fundrise.com, real estate investing is the purchase, ownership, lease, or sale of land and any structures on it for the purpose of earning money. Real estate investors can invest in real estate directly by buying actual properties, such as homes or buildings, or indirectly by buying shares in a publicly traded real estate investment trust. I'll be making videos in the coming weeks on real estate investment trusts and the types of real estate in the future, so stay tuned. The question that most people ask is, how exactly can you earn an investment return from real estate properties? There are primarily two ways you can make money in real estate. The first way is through appreciation of the property value. Keep in mind, though, that the increase in a property's value is not realized until the owner of the property sells it. You won't profit from just holding the property, since you will have to pay taxes or any mortgage loans you used to get the property. However, if you keep it for a couple of years and the price of the property slowly increases, then you can sell it to get the profit. There are many factors that can lead to the appreciation in property value. One way is when market values of the area you purchased the land starts to rise. If you purchased a house in a neighborhood and the neighborhood grows, property values tend to rise. Let's say you bought a piece of undeveloped land in a developing city. If the city starts to grow in size and construction of different buildings starts to increase, the value of the land you purchased can increase, and you can sell it for much more than when you had bought it. Another way you can achieve appreciation of property values is if your property is the last of its size or kind in a developed or prestigious area. Scarcity can play a huge role in value of real estate properties, and your property can gain in value if it is a rare piece of land or property. The second way you can make money in real estate is through rental incomes. Some investors like to have a consistent monthly income from rental payments and choose to lease their house to interested tenants who want to live there. These tenants will pay the investors with a fixed rental payment. This can provide a reliable stream of income for investors, but it also requires a lot of work to ensure that operations run efficiently and the properties are well maintained. Property owners who cannot manage property maintenance contact property management companies for a fixed fee of earnings. This can take significant weight off of an investor's shoulders, but will cut their profits earned from the income they purchased from the income they received from rental payments. But you cannot just purchase a property anywhere and hope the tenants will pay rent and live there, or your property will appreciate in value. There are different factors you have to consider before purchasing a real estate property, and you have to conduct a thorough research to assess whether the real estate property will appreciate in value or will attract interested tenants who will pay rent. I'll talk about the main factors you have to consider before investing or purchasing a real estate property in a future video. This video is just, an introduction to real estate investing, so I don't really want to put too much information in this video. Now let's talk about some advantages and disadvantages to real estate investing. One advantage with real estate is that real estate has unique tax benefits. Real estate investors are also entitled to lower tax rates for their long-term property investments. Another advantage with real estate investing is that it can lead to significant profits. If you make a good investment or purchase and find a price of a property at a low price in an area with a rising real estate market, you can make significant profits in the future when you sell it or by renting it off to tenants. Another advantage of real estate investing is that real estate is a hedge against inflation. When inflation rises, your rental income and property value increase significantly. As the cost of living goes up, so does the cash flow for real estate investors. The last major benefit of real estate is that it provides investors with long-term financial security. Owning a rental property gives investors a sense of security because the property usually tends to appreciate in value over time. However, there are also disadvantages to real estate investing as well. One major disadvantage with real estate is that it is really time consuming if you plan to rent or sell properties. You have to research a lot with real estate investing to ensure you are buying properties that can appreciate in value in the future. Additionally, you have to deal with rental tenants, maintenance issues, and any accidents that may occur on the property. And unlike stocks, real estate isn't a liquid asset, so you may not be able to turn the real estate property into cash easily in an emergency. Real estate is a really good asset to have in your portfolio, and I highly recommend you look into real estate investing. For now, I think this is a really good point stopping point to conclude this video, and I hope it gave you a good introduction to real estate investing. This is the video review and feedback Google Form QR code. If you could take 2 minutes to fill out this form, it would really help us with improving our channel and making sure our videos are informative and interesting for our viewers. Thank you again for keeping up with the FBC YouTube channel and supporting this channel. If you felt this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Leave any questions in the feedback Google Form QR code if you have anything you would like to ask us, and we will gladly reply as soon as possible. Thanks again, and hope to see you in the next one.